Welcome back to the BN Kitchen. I'm Jackie Lewis, clinical nutritionist for BN Multi. These protein cookies are easy to make and you'll only need 4 ingredients. They're low carb and high in protein, which is great for feeling full and boosting your metabolism. Changing your eating habits can change your overall health. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. You can find many more recipes at bnmulti.com and join the BN Bariatric Facebook group for a wide range of topics related to your weight loss surgery journey.